Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on Melbet account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for Melbet law. So let's get into this first link over here. Now on the top right, we can see this option that is registration. So let's tap on that. Now we need to enter our details here. You can simply continue by phone, email or social networks as well. So let's use phone number for now, or you can continue with email address. Now here are 3 steps. At first, enter your email address. Now click on next. Now enter your phone number. Now click on next. After which, we need to choose the currency and enter the password, re-enter your password, and if you have any promo code you can continue with that as well. Once all of the details are done, simply click on register, after which we get into Melbet interface and signing up is completed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.